This is the PowerKing 5-inch wood branch logger, PK0921. Built for efficiency, power, and durability, whether you're clearing land, processing firewood, or managing yard waste, this machine is designed to handle the job with ease. Equipped with a Kohler CH440 14 horsepower engine, 4 precision steel blades, and a convenient tow bar, it's ready for any heavy-duty task. At the heart of this machine is the Kohler CH440 14 horsepower engine, known for its reliability and performance. This commercial-grade engine ensures smooth operation, handling branches up to 5 inches in diameter with ease. For added convenience, the logger is available in both manual pull start and electric start models, giving you the flexibility to choose the best option for your needs. This logger is equipped with 4 hardened steel blades, engineered for precision cutting and long-lasting durability. These blades operate on a timed gearing system, ensuring that they meet at the perfect moment to make each cut efficiently and cleanly. This synchronized motion allows for consistent 12-inch sections, reducing strain on the engine while delivering powerful, precise cuts every time. With a wide feed chute, you can easily load branches up to 5 inches in diameter, making the logging process smooth and effortless. Safety is a top priority. The logger comes with an emergency stop switch, allowing you to instantly shut down the machine if needed. This ensures safe and controlled operation at all times. Moving this machine is simple. It features swivel front wheels with brakes, giving you complete control over positioning. For transport, the front wheels lock in an upward position, making it easy to tow behind an ATV, tractor, or utility vehicle. With a removable tow bar, this logger is designed for both stationary and mobile use, adapting to your needs. The processed wood is directed through the discharge chute into reusable collection bags, keeping your workspace clean while allowing for easy disposal or repurposing. The PowerKing 5-inch wood branch logger is built for efficiency, durability, and ease of use. With its powerful Kohler engine, heavy-duty steel blades, and user-friendly mobility features, it's the perfect solution for professional and home use alike. For more details, visit qvtools.com and make sure to check out our authorized dealers. Experience professional-grade wood processing power with the PowerKing logger.